Hi everybody, this is Katie Birch and I thought, you know what? It's middle of May, maybe it's time to learn something new. So I'm going to show you how to use the Connected North app to request your own sessions, but also there's some really awesome features for choosing sessions based on the curriculum expectations that you're wishing to cover. So all you have to do is sign in to, you put in your browser sessions.connectednorth.org/login. You could skip the login part too. It's going to take you to this very lovely page. And your board email is usually the email that is linked to your account. There's no password. You just log in with your email. I'm just going to log in as a friend of mine, Sarah. To show you how to use the app, you sign in. Okay, when you come to the first page, you can see all upcoming sessions that you have that are already booked for you. Okay, you can also go in here and let me know what subject and grade you teach if it changes throughout the years. Okay, you can also see what sessions are coming up at your school, which is kind of neat just to get different ideas for what types of sessions others are booking. Okay, so that's upcoming. So along the top, the upcoming sessions. You can also click on past sessions and you can actually go in and rate those sessions all in one place, which is super nice. And then we're going to go to, if there's any sessions that you've requested that I book for you, you just go to requests and it will put in what you've requested. You can also favorite sessions. So when you go to your upcoming sessions, you can actually, I believe it should be in, I don't know if this is actually really updated yet. So skip that one for now. This is the one that you need to worry about for trying to look for your own session. So you can just search by title, give a keyword, just one keyword is fine, grade level, subject area. So for example, if I just want to use the simple search, I can put in maybe matter. Maybe that's a subject you're teaching right now. Grade 3. Let's go to science. Okay, obviously we want it in English and hit search. And it will give you all the sessions that are available under that topic, matter. To book it, all you have to do is click on it. Okay. It's going to give you a little more information about what the session is about, whether there's any materials required. And to request it, you're just going to click request. You're going to choose your preferred date and time in your time zone, what grade you teach, how many students, and any notes maybe that are necessary about your class. Maybe you have a special needs student. Maybe you want the pace to be much slower because your students need more time for processing, things like that. So, and then when you're ready you've chosen your dates, choose 2 dates and times, and just remember, allow me 3 to 5 weeks leeway. Like if it's a special request and you want to give it a try for a 2-week turnaround, you can, but it's just more likely you're going to get the session you want if you do it 3 to 5 weeks in advance. Hit submit, and what that will do is send me a notification that you want to book that session, and I just go do all the booking for you. Super easy. If for some reason those 2 dates that you requested are not available, then that's when you might get an email from me saying, hey, can we, work with another couple of dates here? Okay, let's go back to the search button. This is brand new, browse by curriculum linkages. This is a game changer, I feel like. So all you have to choose is your grade level. So let's say you're teaching grade 7, okay? And maybe you want to look, all the strands are listed here for you. So maybe you're looking for a strand around history, like New France and British North America. It says that there's 44 sessions aligned with that expectation. You can click, take a look at what those sessions look like. You can open any of them, read about them, and then if you want to request them right from the curriculum expectation, you can do that. Same thing. Opens up the session request. Please just don't forget to put in your date and time, preferred date and time. This gets forgotten sometimes. and also number of students, because if there's any kits that need to come, it's really important that I get as accurate on the number of students, so we make sure we send you enough kits. So that's the app. I'm really going to encourage folks to try to start using it this school year. No pressure. Like if you're done, things are wrapping up for the end of the year, you're not looking to book any new sessions, no problem, use it next year, or just sort of play around with it and figure it out. So yeah, thanks so much for being part of Connected North, and I'm looking forward to continually working with you. Have a lovely day.